In this Belize adventure, we head to the Stan Creek district of Belize for a tour of the Che'il Chocolate Farm and Factory. We start our tour where the cocoa starts, with the fruit. Once the fruit is cut open, it reveals a mass of seeds covered in a milky white substance, which when ripe actually tastes pretty good. After seeing where the cocoa begins, we move into the factory where chocolate is made. But first, a tasting of all the ingredients, sourced locally, including sugar, cocoa beans, dried and roasted, and chocolate oil. After the tasting, we were able to try our hand at the traditional method of chocolate making with a volcanic stone passed down through the generations of this Mayan family to now. This is how the Che'il chocolate is still made today. And then, more tasting. Cocoa nibs, nibs dipped in chocolate, chocolate bars. Next, it was off to the river. After some brief instructions, we were off on a quiet, peaceful float, relaxing with birds, nature, and a croc. What better way to wrap up a day of culture than visiting a local bar and enjoying the coast with new friends?